Hi boys and girls, my name is Fake Student. So I wanted to go through and walk you through some of the assignments that Mr. Fake and yourself might have. First you click My Work and you're going to see a nice list of assignments that are going to be on here. Now, Fake Student has a little bit different because Miss Katie's been playing with it a little while. But Miss Katie did do all of 13.1 and I did 14.1. So it's going to tell me additional practice. That's for anybody that needs a little bit extra practice on something if they didn't understand it. Okay, so I wanted to do the reteaching page that I think you all have to do. So if I click it, it goes to the PDF. This is in your book. This was supposed to be done with you and the with the sub while Miss Katie was out. So what you would do is you would click download and then you would either print it, but if you don't have a printer at home, you would just write set A and then you would write number 1 and you would just put the answer. Set A, number 2, B, you would do 1 and 2. But I'm going to go ahead and give you the answers right now on my own book. So here's Miss Katie's book. Say hi, Bella. All right, so let's take a look. Okay, number 1. This is a review for 13.1. And everybody should have their math book if you're doing the reteaching page. So this is one whole, and it's comparing equivalent fractions to the whole. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 green ones, and these are sixes. Means it takes 6 of them to make one whole. So we have 4 of those. So 4 out of 6 equals how many of these? Okay, so they have 1/3, 2/3. So that would be 2/3. So it's how many green equal how many orangish colored ones. Okay. Now the next one, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 2 of those are purple, so that's the 2, 6. The next one I have 1, 2, 3 bars, and 1 of them's blue. Okay, so 2 of these purple ones is about the same as 1 out of 3 of these with the blue color. Next, we are reviewing fractions on a number line. They have 1, 8, 2, 8, 3, 8, 4, 8, 5, 8, 6, 8, 7, 8, and this equals 8 eighths, which also equals 1. And then they separated it into fourths. 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. What comes after 3? 1, 2, 3, 4/4. Okay, so this is just filling in the missing number. 1, 6, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is 3, 6, which is also equaled, oh, well, that's confusing. It only has 1 in the middle. Well, the middle is called a half, 1/2. All right, next page for our reteaching. This is set C, and boys and girls and moms and dads, they have the nice little teaching part on these reteaching pages. That's my favorite. All right, this is the hungry alligator. Okay, so we're comparing. And when we said that if the bottom number is the same, we're going to eat the bigger top number. Okay, and then this one, if the top number is the same, we're looking at the smaller bottom. That means we're sharing with less people. The bottom number is how many slices are cut. Okay, all right, here we go. So we have 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. And 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And I can see that that one's longer. So I am very hungry. So I'm going to eat that bigger one. 4, 6, 5, 6. 4, 6 is still on this page. 4, 6. Well, there's 5, 6. So 5, 6 is longer. Oh no, they have 8s. But that's okay. If I cut my pizza into 8, I think I want 5 slices. Then I want 3 slices. Okay, next. This is where the top numbers, the numerators are the same. So that means I'm sharing 6 slices or cutting my pizza into 8. If I cut it into more slices, it's going to make it smaller. So I'm going to eat the one with the smaller bottom. 3/4. And this one, if it's half a pizza, it's bigger than 1/3 of the pizza. There we go. And that is part D. Now we move on to part E. Oh, Mike had a candy bar. He had 2 6 of it. Sally had 4 6 of the candy bar. Whose candy bar has closer to 1? This is benchmark numbers. 0, half, and 1. Okay, so if we have 2 6 and 4 6, and we said, is it closer to the half? Well, half of 6 would be 3 6. So over here we have 0. Over here we have 1. 1 6, 2 6, 3 6, 4 6, 5 6. I think 4 is going to win the race. He's closer to 1. Paul compared 2 bags of rice. One weighed 4 6 and the other weighs 4 8. Which bag is heavier? This is the same number on the top. The alligator's hungry. If I chop it into 8 pieces, it's smaller. So I'm going to chop it only into 6 pieces. Okay, next, we're going to put these little dots. 2 6, do 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 do. 3 6, do 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 do. Oh, 3 6 is going to win the race. This is the finish line right here. So I'm going to eat that 3 6. Num 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 num. Okay, I'm going to eat 3 4ths because the bottom number, I'm cutting that pizza into 4 slices instead of chopping it into 6. 3 4ths, and this is 3 6. And this is the finish line right here. So 3 4ths is about to win. Last page. Yay! Okay, so now it says write equivalent fractions for each whole number. Well, whole numbers are same out of same, okay? And then if we do 3 of them, it's almost like we said it was like division. So 3 out of 3 is 1, okay? 6 divided by 3 is 2. Something divided by something equals 3. I know that 9 divided by 3 is 3. Ooh, 15 divided by 3 is 5. 10 divided by 5 is 2. And 4 out of 4 equals 1. I just picked that one. You could have also done 27 out of 9. You could have did 3 out of 1. All of these could have been 3 out of 1, 5 out of over 1, 2 over 1, and 1 over 1. So as for each of these, write the number. 6 divided by 3 is 2. 14 divided by 2 is 7. 10 divided by 2 is 5. And any number over any number is 1. All right, and we don't like conjectures. Say bye-bye, conjecture. And just arguing with yourself. Okay. All right, that's it for the reteaching page. And after you're done with that, you just exit. Boop. Click it. It's loading. And it has a check mark. It says it's done. I did it in my book. Send to the teacher. And that's it for reteaching. Okay.